Severe thunderstorm warning. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, eastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Grady County in central Oklahoma, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 3 miles south of Christchurch to 5 miles northeast of Kogar, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour.
We got some rain and thunder.
60 miles an hour with gusts and $10 hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northwestern Oklahoma City, El Reno, Yukon, Piedmont, Union City, Minco, Cashin, Concho, and Richland. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.